it's going to promote better memory, right? Because if we have less brain fog via the activation of the immune cells in the brain, cognitive wise, we're going to be able to have better recall. We'll be faster on our feet. You'll be able to think more clearer, because one of the big things in regards to brain inflammation is going to be cognitive and brain fog issues. Anything else you
Yeah,
want to highlight there?
well, yeah, I'm going to take what you said, take it a step further. People will ask us about, well, what brain supplement can I take? What can I do to get more focus? What can I do to get more concentration? And part of that answer is to improve your sleep quality. People think about what supplement, what herb, what drug, what stimulant am I missing to help increase my brain? It's like maybe some things, but if you're not sleeping, I don't care how much caffeine or whatever else you do, you're not going to be optimal.
Correct. So, of course, getting enough sleep is number one. Trying to get sleep at the right time is important, because we want to sleep within our natural circadian rhythm. So cortisol naturally drops, at that 10 a.m. time. And then when cortisol drops, melatonin increases. So there's this natural inverse relationship between cortisol and melatonin. And melatonin is a very powerful antioxidant. It helps stimulate that really good deep sleep. So you want to tap into it during that natural cortisol rhythm of the drop in cortisol followed by the rise in melatonin. That's very, very important. That's the reason why shift workers have the highest rate of cancer. World Health Organization put shift work in the same category as substance carcinogens, as substance carcinogens like smoking and asbestos. So it's definitely toxic to your body, even though it's a non-substance, right? I mean, shift work isn't a substance. It's a lifestyle tactic. So if we can shift that, that's going to be big. And then, of course, amino acids are going to be what you use to make a lot of your sleep hormones. So the first thing I look at is, how is your digestion? Are you eating enough protein? Are you vegan, vegetarian? Are you getting enough protein? Number one. Number two, are you digesting it? Are you assimilating it? How are your stools looking? Are they floating at all too? Are you processing your fat-soluble vitamins as well? These are really, really, really important things we want to look at when it comes to sleep, because all of our neurochemicals, most are going to be made from amino acids. Amino acid peptides, right? Serotonin is going to be made from tryptophan or 5-HTP. Dopamine and adrenaline are going to be made from phenylalanine and tyrosine. GABA's, itself, it's gamma aminobutyric acid. L-theanine plays a big role in GABA. I'm trying to think. Melatonin's also made from serotonin, which is made from 5-HTP and tryptophan. Anything else you wanted to highlight on the protein connection there?
Yeah, you need some B6 too as your cofactor.
B6. B6 is a very important cofactor that's involved in the synthesis. If you have a lot of these amino acids there, but not enough B6, you're not going to have this synthesis happen. It's like having a whole bunch of wood, and it's like having a whole bunch of wood that's wet, and then you have the flame. Well, you need dry wood, right? So it's a really important cofactor to that equation, so that spark takes.
And we'll ask people that too. So when we look at the urinary organic acid test, we can measure the B6 levels. And I'll ask people, hey, look, your B6 is really low. How's your sleep? And I would say 9 times out of 10, people say my sleep is not good. And the other brain chemistry markers may look okay, like serotonin may look adequate. But if you're not having that cofactor, I think of it like the spark plug, really. If you don't have the spark plug to make the melatonin, then adequate serotonin may be helpful for mood, but your sleep could still suffer.